Hello, 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 everyone. This is Antonia Moore, Salesforce Administrator for Points of Light. In this video, we're going to be talking about contracts / MOUs. MOU stands for Memorandum of Understanding. We'll click on Contracts, click on New. Let me show you. Inside this drop down, there are several different types of contracts, but for the sake of this video, we're going to be sticking with the client MOUs. Click Continue. As with any other Salesforce object, any field that has a red bar to the left of the field is a required field. We're going to change this to draft, and because we are Points of Light, and the contract is with us, we are going to change that to Points of Light. The organization name is the organization we are going to be doing business with. We're going to click on that, put in the organization name, which is X-Men Academy. Now let me show you something. Looking at this magnifying glass, what if the organization was not already in the system? Do we have to go back to the Organizations tab and enter it in? Not at all. As you can see, we have an organization name lookup / new window. Let's click on that. What if the organization wasn't already in? We could click on New and enter that data in here and click on Save, and it would automatically populate into the field. Since we don't have to do that, we're just going to X out of here. The primary vendor contact is always you. And in this video, I am going to be Carmen Electra. How about that? As we can see, the billing street, city, state, zip code, and country has pre-populated with the organization name. Contract start date. If we click on this date here, which will always be today's date, no matter when you look at it, it will automatically populate in here. If we need to put in a different date, we will click in the window and we can choose the month, year, and date we want this to start. For the sake of this video, we're going to choose today's date. The number of months this contract is going to be valid. In these fields, you're going to enter all the data from your paper contract that's pertinent to this contract. We will enter our business unit, our department, the account code. Did we budget for this? What is the actual cost of this? How much did we budget for this? And there's nothing else you have to do. These fields here and this field here will automatically pre-populate when we save it. Watch this. Just like magic, it has. We have a contract number, which means this is real now. We have a signer. And in these fields down here, we have the order of signers. So you've just put your first contract in the system. What now? Well, now we have to submit it for approval. This button here and this button here do the exact same thing. Push whichever one you'd like. There's a message that comes up that tells you once you click on that, once you hit this OK button, you're not going to be able to change anything. So if there are changes that you need to make, please don't delete them. Just contact me and we will work it out. Click OK. Let me show you what's going to happen now. We'll move down here, and as you can see, hey, something new has happened. The approver here is now down here. This person has been sent an email telling them that they have a contract to approve, and since they haven't approved it, it is still pending. When they go in, this person is going to reassign it to someone else, approve or reject the contract. If they reassign it to someone else, that person will get the email asking them to come in and approve it. If they approve it, it will then be forwarded to the next approver. And if they reject it, it stays right where it is. You have successfully entered your first contract and you have submitted it for approval. You are becoming a Salesforce superstar. See you in the next video.